So today we are going to talk about how to solve words I don't know by breaking apart and looking at the parts of the word that I do know. So always in most words, there's going to be a root word, there may be a prefix or a suffix, or there's going to be like a root word, like I said a while ago, that helps me better understand that word. If I can understand a part of it, then I have a good general idea what it might mean. So we're going to talk about how do I break that word apart so that I understand it better. So like this word, for instance, unknown. I know that means like not or undo, and I know the word know means like I know something. So if the unknown would be like something not known, and I would break it apart by the parts that I know. So I might like highlight the parts that I know, and then look at the other part, or highlight the root word and look at the parts that like the prefix and the suffix to understand that word better. So let's look at this next word. So most of these words you know, I'm just showing you how to break words apart so that you can do it on words that you don't know when you're reading. Supermarket. So I know that the root word here is market. And what I know about market is that a market is a place I go to buy things. And I know that the prefix there, super, means big, like super means awesome. So like a big place to shop or something like that. Here we have the word paid. Paid would be my root word. And then I'm going to look at either the prefix or the suffix with it and go pre. Pre means before, and paid means I've already paid it. So pay before would be prepaid. We have root word here is pain. Okay. I know that pain, I know what pain means. It hurts. And then I have the suffix full. And we know that full means like full of something. So painful would be full of pain. And then I have the word unfriendly. And we know that the root word in here is friend. So I know that part, I know what a friend is, and means like not. So like not friendly, lee meaning the action of the friend. So unfriendly would be like not very nice person. So I just wanted to do this quick little word solving game. You're going to do a quick concentration game on Google Classroom, on Google Slides, where you're going to try to match parts together from different words so that we are learning how to break words apart and what like parts of words mean. So have fun with it, and it's just for practice.